Assalamu alaikum student. Yesterday I had told you that one exercise of chapter 4 was left, that is compare and contrast. Today I am going to make you understand first, then we will do this exercise. To contrast something is to look for differences among two or more things, but compare is to look for similarities. Compare and contrast is a style that discusses the similarities and differences between two or more things, ideas, characters. For example, we have to compare and contrast between whale and fish. Whale give birth to baby, fish lay eggs. Whale have hair, fish have scales. Whale breathe air, fish breathe water. These are differences between whale and fish. Now we have to look similarities in between whale and fish. Live in water, have fins, can swim. कंपेयर एंड कंट्रास्ट में हमें दो कैरेक्टर्स या किसी भी दो चीज़ों के आपस के फ़र्क और उनकी जो चीज़ें उनके बीच सिमिलर होती हैं, एक जैसी होती हैं, उनको बताना होता है। जो फ़र्क होते हैं उनको हम कॉन्ट्रास्ट कहते हैं और जो सिमिलैरिटीज़ या एक जैसी जो बातें होती हैं उनको हम कंपैरिजन कहते हैं। Now I'm going to read compare and contrast between Mr. Murdstone and Mr. Micawber for you. Mr. Murdstone. Number 1. He was cruel. Mr. Micawber. He was not cruel. Mr. Murdstone. Number 2. He was not kind to David. Mr. Micawber. He was kind to David. Number 3. Mr. Murdstone. He was stepfather of David. Mr. Micawber. David worked with him. Now I'm going to read similarities in between two characters. Both were aged. Both were friends of Mr. Quinian. अब आपको ये बात अच्छी तरह याद रखनी है कि कॉन्ट्रास्ट का मतलब होता है डिफरेंसेस, और जब हम सिमिलैरिटीज़ की बात करते हैं तो इसका मतलब है हम दोनों कैरेक्टर का कंपैरिजन लिख रहे हैं। ठीक है, इसको आप हमेशा याद रखिएगा। योर होमवर्क इज़ टू कंप्लीट योर